In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Google Calendar. This nifty feature allows you to visually enhance your events, making them more organized and appealing. Whether you're planning a family gathering or a crucial meeting, adding an image can help set the tone or provide essential visual cues. So let's dive into the steps to seamlessly integrate an image into your Google Calendar event. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar and sign in using your Google account. It's always a good idea to double check that you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple calendars. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface of your calendar. Now let's move on to creating a space for your image. You have the option to either create a new event or select an existing one. If you're creating a new event, click on the plus Create button, usually located toward the top left of your screen. If you wish to modify an existing event, simply click on the event in your calendar view to open it. Now that you've accessed the event details, look for the More Options button, which might be a little less visible, but it's crucial for expanding the event details. Clicking this will give you more control over the specifics of your event, such as notifications, privacy, and most importantly, the description section where we'll attach the image. In the expanded view, locate the description box. You'll notice a tiny paperclip icon which represents the Add Google Drive Attachment feature. Clicking this icon allows you to access Google Drive, and it's here that you'll find the image you wish to attach. Make sure before this step that your image is uploaded to Google Drive. Organizing your images into folders could be helpful, especially when you need to find them quickly. Once you've clicked the icon, a window will open showcasing your Drive's contents. Search for the image you want to attach, select it, and with a simple click on the image, it will be attached to your event's description. It's important to ensure that the file permissions are set correctly so that anyone with the event details has the right access to view the image. Finally, don't forget to click Save to finalize your event. This step is crucial as it commits your changes and ensures that your image is effectively attached to the calendar event. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Google Calendar event, adding a personal or professional touch to your scheduling. Adding images to your Google Calendar is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. It not only makes your calendar more engaging, but can also serve as a handy reminder or visual cue to prepare for the task at hand. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tip as useful as I do in managing your daily schedules.